Disclaimer. Hey everyone, just a quick heads up before we get started. I want to let you know I'm completely transparent. This channel shares my personal trading journey and insights, including discussions of significant gains. Please remember, past performance is not a guarantee of future success, and all trading involves substantial risk. This content is for informational and entertainment purposes only, not financial advice. Please always do your own research and consult with a professional financial advisor before making any trading decisions. I am not responsible for any actions taken based on the information provided in this video. Use this information at your own risk. This is the $8 challenge. Thanks so much for coming by. Today is episode 5, and unfortunately, it was a red day yesterday. The account was down 8%, and at the time I'm filming this, it's currently the following day. So I'm filming this and posting it same day. But yesterday, 7/17, the account was down 8%. A little bit of a battle. You can see I made 4 trades, all same day till expire. First trade plus 12, then minus 18, plus 14, and then that last trade minus 50. I was break even on the day until that last trade, so I held that one hoping for a big move and just did not quite get it. That's just the way it is sometimes. So let's get into it. Real quick, please leave a like down below. I greatly appreciate it. It really helps out the algorithm. And if you're new here, please subscribe if you enjoy it. And really quick, I just want to give a shout out to Marlon from Discord and from chat or comments, whatever you want to call it. I was asking for a little help yesterday to show some love to the channel, and he really stepped it up. So I just want to say thank you. I really appreciate it. YouTube it's a grind. It's just like trading. There's a lot of similarities, and it's just being consistent and pushing through it. And sometimes I'm just fighting that algorithm. So just getting that extra support from you and going and liking and commenting. I really appreciate it because it does help that algorithm. And overall, it just kind of pushes the channel out to more people. So yeah, thank you. Greatly appreciate it. Also, shout out Alexander this morning asking where the video was. When I saw that, I just felt guilty. I was like, man, I was going to post it even later tonight. And, I've just been a little frustrated, kind of battling whether or not to post every day still or to, maybe post every other day. I think after this, I'm going to continue posting every day. But it was a little bit of a question there for a couple days, just trying to figure out the flow of YouTube and trying to, kind of come up with the best way to make the best content without burning myself out. And I always want to bring that good energy on these videos, and just uplift people and help you guys learn how to trade, because it doesn't have to be that complicated. So anyways, rant over. Let's dive right in, go over this really quick. I just wanted to shout out you guys because I greatly appreciate it. Here we go. Trade number 1 yesterday in at 10, out at 10.02, and that was that quick 12% gain right there on those yellow arrows. So I was looking for that move really up to 451. Didn't get it, so I took profit pretty quick on there. And then that next trade, again, 452 calls. I traded those same contracts 3 times. So in and out fairly quick, 10.07 to 10.12. And that was an 18% loss. So I was like, man, I kind of felt like I was chasing it before I went to buy it. And, I definitely was. So that's what resulted in that. It's just you're kind of on that line sometimes of, is the market going to continue? Or is this the point where it's going to decide to start chopping and going sideways? And I think we all know how frustrating it is when the market's ripping, and then you take your position, and then it's just like, nah, I'm just going to chill and go sideways and just eat your position with theta. So, it's all part of the challenge. And trade number 3, I got in at 10.57, out at 11.01. So another quick trade, 4 minutes, and that was 14%. Again, trying to trade that chop. I would have been better off just not trading at all. You can see I tried to wait. I saw this pop right here, and I was thinking, oh, maybe we're going to get the move finally. Did not quite get it. I was just a little bit early on there. And then that last trade of the day, the 453 call. With what little buying power I had left, I got that for $4 at 11.42, and I held it forever. I was looking for a nice move, and just did not get it today, and I ended up cutting losses right there at 2. So 50% loss, but only $2. Frustrating nonetheless. So it is what it is. Red days are all part of it. The best thing you can do is just learn from those. And yesterday was just a great reminder of just to be a little bit more patient. Right here, I probably shouldn't have taken that second trade. I should have just walked away green and really waited for confirmation. But you live and you learn. So let's take a look at the account. You can see yesterday down 8%. Today I'm currently up 23.5. So really happy with how today is playing out so far. And as you can see, it is only 10:22 Pacific Standard Time, so I still have a few hours left to trade. And I almost never film in the middle of the day, but I wanted to get this out sooner than later. Like I said, when I saw from Alexander this morning, no video today, I was like, just felt so guilty. I just want to, do the best I can for you guys and really help you guys all become successful and, learn how to make money. So that's all I have for the day. Here's the transaction history. If you're new here, I'm completely transparent. I think that sets me apart from 99% of people on Twitter, probably on YouTube. I don't watch a lot of other trading content, but anyways, that's all I have for the day. I just rambling at this point. Again, thank you all so much. Greatly appreciate you, and I hope you stay happy and healthy. I'll see you tomorrow.